Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a cute cat. I draw her ears. Her eyes. This cat's name is Buttercup. Hello, Buttercup. She's wearing a bow tie. She is watching our drawing. And she has a fluffy tail. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Orange. Yellow. Orange. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.